What is it? Found yourself some snow? Yeah. What is it? Where are your toys? Go get it. Go get the mouse. Go get the squeaky mouse. Come here. What? What are you looking for? What do you want? You want to check out the snow outside? Come on, let's go check the snow. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let's check out the snow. You want to go outside? Cougar? Does Cougar want to go outside? Okay, let's check out the snow outside. Can you see them falling? Maybe not. But actually, it's really there. That's basically it. And look at the swimming pool. It's filled with snow and ice, I bet. And look at the cougar. Look at Cougar. Where are your birds? Where are your birds? Where are your friends? They're gone.